And yes, guys, I found a 2025 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. I'm going to explain the package. It's brand new for 2025. Found this at the Walmart in my new area. I think I'm the first on YouTube to own this, I think. New for 2025. I love the new logo. Look at that. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Samson. It looks like the classic Samson, which is really cool. Part of Leading Legends. Crushable cars should change that. Here's a back. It's a Buns of Steel, Samson, Dodge Charger. I need to get that one. We'll trash it all. Tiger Shark, Demo Derby, and Triceratops. I need to get those again. Scalosaurus I own, so I don't care. Name Samson, Truck Type Pickup, Strength, Brawn and Bravado, Crash Attack, Strong Arm Slam. This is a new 2025 packaging, so you guys can know what it looks like in hand. Further ado, let's go and open it. I don't care about the car. Here it is. Ooh, this is a nice Samson. Look at this, guys. Samson. It reminds me of the old Samson from Monster Jam. Look at this. Samson and the arms. Pretty cool with the chains. Breaking through the chains. The headlight printing. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks on top. The new logo. Gray rims and beadlocks. Black tires. Black roll cage. Silver undercarriage. The dark blue's nice. Patrick. I forgot the last name. Patrick something. So that's the two trucks I got. Shout out to my mom. We'll get more soon. Hopefully next week. The new ones I just saw today. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more videos coming soon. Peace out, and hope you all enjoyed.